Okay, so for app development, this is the good course which you can follow. They
Okay,
will
sir.
teach you basics to advanced level also. Okay, so you just at least see the first 2 weeks. Okay, in the especially second week you see building your web app. Okay,
Okay.
so that
Okay.
means after you go through the 2 weeks course, you will be
Okay,
able
sir.
to start doing some simple things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and especially week 6 and 7 mobile app development is there. Okay, so at least the first 2 weeks you see, and then if you
Okay.
are getting doubts, you ask in that group. Okay, they will explain you, don't worry. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, so that is one thing. Then one more thing. Okay, so you can see this heading called transliterated works in this website,
Yes, sir.
right? Website name is given here. Okay, so in that you will see Kannada. Under that heading you can see Kannada, so you click on that. So now you see, yeah. So Kannada books, it is written as heading as Kannada books in Bharati script, right?
Okay, sir.
But here, is there any book here? Nothing. Everything is blank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is nothing is there. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what you can do, I'll tell you. What you can do, I'll tell you. Okay. You can get some Kannada stories, no, from somewhere. Kannada
Like in the
stories, children stories, Kannada children stories. You can get, no, already typed in Kannada. You can get it easily, right or not? Somewhere
yeah,
internet.
yeah, sir. In the internet you are asking, sir.
Yeah, Kannada
In the internet
moral
also, sir.
stories. It is in text format, in reading format. You can get it, right?
I will try it with that, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
can get it. So what you have to do, I'll tell you. So I'll tell you. See, so suppose you are getting some stories in Kannada which are available freely. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you copy that and paste it in the Word file. Okay, that Kannada. Suppose it will come like this. Assume this itself is the story. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
wait. So wait. I am putting only Satyam. Okay, right. Yeah. I am putting only Satyameva Jayate. Assume, but this itself is the big story. Okay, some 2-3 pages
Okay,
story. Let us assume. Okay.
okay, sir.
Now again, what you do? Again, paste it one more time. So 2 times it came. Kannada story, again Kannada story. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Same story 2 times. Okay. Now what you do? First time you select, you go and convert into Sundar Bharati. Like this. Now, first story is in Sundara Bharati, second story is in Kannada. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now convert into PDF file. Now, one more thing. Before converting into PDF file, you took this story from some book, no? Okay. So you have to write there. This story is taken from so and so book. Like that, you have to mention that book name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And your name. Okay. You can write your mail ID. Okay. You can write
Okay,
your
sir.
mail ID if you want. Okay.
Okay,
Then,
sir.
so this story is taken from so and so book. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
like that, you have to mention. Then you go and convert into PDF file. Save as PDF. Okay. Save as
Save.
some name. Okay. Wait. So let me put some name. Satyameva. Okay. Satyameva. Some story, some name, the story name. Okay. Na? You save it. Okay. You save it in the desktop, suppose. Okay. Saved. Now what you have to do, I'll tell you. Now come to that website. Where is that website? Let us come here. You come to this website. Okay. Now you go down, contribute. You click on this contribute. Okay. Here you have to write the name of the book from where you took it. Okay. Na? Suppose that book name is Panchtantra. Suppose.
Okay, sir.
Just example, author. Okay. Someone who, okay, if it is Panchtantra, you can write who is the author. Vishnu Sharma.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And then this is a story, so moral story. Okay. Moral story. Then your name. Okay. That you will enter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you will click browse. Okay. Then that PDF file you have to put it here. Okay. Na?
Sir, like PDF, it will, like while saving the file, you have to select with a.
You saved as PDF, no? That is what I showed, no? You are a CSE student and you are asking this kind of doubt. How means it? Like this, okay?
No. Yes,
No,
like,
wait, I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. Go to file, save as. Okay, when you save as, it will ask option. You see here. Okay, PDF. Okay,
okay.
like that.
I use Shadow Flash. Will ask for the money to convert Word file to PDF. That's
Oh,
what I'm.
all that story is not required. You can directly, whatever it is, you first do it into PDF. See, in the save as itself, that option is there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
save as itself, that option is there. If it is not there, then you try to do whatever way you want. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but you have to convert into PDF. And after converting into PDF, you check once whether it is coming correctly or not. Okay, sometimes it will show wrongly. Okay, you have to check it. Yeah, before converting into PDF also, you check it whether everything is correct or not. Means you see here.
Okay, sir.
See, this is in Sundara Bharati, this is in Kannada. Okay, so you have to check whether the things came correctly or some error is coming. Okay, na?
Sir.
Yeah, so after checking, then only you convert into PDF. And after converting into PDF also, you check one time, okay, whether it is correct or not. Okay, sometimes it may come errors. Okay, yeah, then that PDF file, you say browse here. Okay, after browse here, you see preview. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you see preview, then it will, wait, I'll show you here. Okay, so some file, just I'm putting some example, just for example I'm putting. Okay, so then I will click preview. Okay, so it will show here whatever I have entered that file, it will show here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you have to see in the preview. So just to check it whether it is coming correctly or not. After checking, then you click submit. Okay, you click submit. Then what will happen? That story will be in this website. Understood? No?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so like that you can do for some moral stories. Okay, that is one more service you can do. I don't want you to waste your time. Whenever you feel some time you wanted to spend on general things, you can do this. Okay, it is not
Okay,
pure
sir.
technical, but whenever you feel like doing some service for Kannada, you can do like this, because it is your mother tongue and you are doing something for your mother tongue. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it is like a moral responsibility. You can tell this work to your other friends also, even your relatives. See, some
Okay,
of your
sir.
relatives, they may be simply sitting in home, they don't know how to spend their leisure time. Okay,
Okay.
like that. So, and this doesn't require any technical knowledge also. No, simple computer knowledge is enough, simple basics of computers. Okay, so like that they can do. Okay, and it is for
Okay,
your mother tongue only. Lot of books will be there in Kannada. It will be useful for you. Okay.